Hello everyone, my name is Simon. Enter Shanxi to understand China. It is said that Chinese civilization is 5,000 years old and its core is in Shanxi. Shanxi is under my feet. In particular, I have heard a lot of historical stories about Chinese culture and Shanxi. And now I came here to explain you its civilization and cultural codes. Let's start now. The river behind me is the famous Yellow River. It is supposed to be the mother river of Chinese. I know you may not hear my voice right now because now we are at the most dangerous part of the Yellow River, which is called Hukou Waterfall. Of course, before we set off, let's change our clothes. Let's go! Now I'm wearing the most traditional clothes of the people who live here. They have been wearing such clothes for generations. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. I hope this will help us to understand local people. Okay, let's go! I have actually seen quite a few waterfalls, but this one is a real yellow waterfall. The Chinese call this yellow river the mother river, and I think it makes sense. There are several symbols of China, like pandas, Chinese Kung Fu, and the Great Wall. But this yellow river should be ignored. It always flows forward. Like Chinese people, they always look forward and work hard. If you're going to travel to China, Hukou Waterfall definitely should be your first step. Of course, not only Hukou Waterfall. There are many things that we should learn. Tomorrow we're going to a famous place of the first Chinese emperor, and we will learn more how he led his people to civilization.